Let's take a ride on WHIZZER at Six Flags Great America, an Anton Schwarzkopf Speed Racer Classic with the electric spiral lift, where you go in a circle all the way to the top, 70 feet in the air. This is one of the great family coasters anywhere. It is arguably my favorite ride at Six Flags Great America. The seating configuration is so cool, and it's an original ride to the park. 50 years this year, opened in 1976 as Willard's WHIZZER, excuse me. But it just got a retracking job in the off-season. The new steel track was made in Utah. Sections of it were retracked. Let's see if we can see which sections were retracked. But as I mentioned, we're 70 feet in the air. We're going to hit a top speed of about 42 miles an hour. It's got some great turns on it. And here we go. The drop of WHIZZER, a nice, long, slight incline going right into the turn. Whoa! So awesome. Such a fun ride. Been riding this since I was a kid. Still great. Into the trees here. Whoa! Oh! Woo! Nice. Oh, right there. I can see it now. You see the new track? I think this is it right here. Woo! Right over the water! Yo! Whee! Going into the final turn here. Chuk, 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 chuk. Oh, I love that noise it makes at the end. That chuk, 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 chuk noise. That is so awesome. There it is, WHIZZER. That is still fun. I know it's not the most thrilling ride in the park. I mean, look at the drop there. It's definitely not the steepest drop on planet Earth, but it is fun. 40 plus miles an hour. Anybody can ride it. You can ride it with somebody in your lap if you've got a kid with you, if you've got a significant other. And you think, like, back in the day, this is probably where everybody exited the ride. I don't remember ever doing that, but the ride could stop here, everyone could get off. But yeah, coming back into the station. Just a real piece of history here at Six Flags Great America.